It is 2026, and the tech landscape has shifted significantly. We are no longer impressed by just faster processors or thinner frames. We want tools that actually understand our workflow and adapt to our lives. Today, we are looking at the product name. After 3 weeks of using this as my primary daily driver, I have realized it is trying to do something truly different. It is not just a gadget. It is a serious attempt to bridge the gap between our digital intent and physical reality. But does it actually stick the landing? Or is it just expensive carbon fiber window dressing? Let us find out. First, let us talk about the build. In a world finally moving away from planned obsolescence, the product name feels refreshing. It is constructed from high-grade, recycled biopolymers that feel surprisingly premium. It is cool to the touch, yet incredibly durable. The modularity here is the headline. Being able to swap out the core modules without a trip to a specialist is a massive win for 2026. It is sleek, it is minimal, and it fits into that quiet luxury aesthetic that is dominating the scene right now. There is no flashy lighting, just pure, functional elegance. But the real magic happens when you turn it on. The integration with the latest AI ecosystems is seamless. We have reached a point where latency is a thing of the past. The haptic feedback is so precise it almost feels organic. What impressed me most, though, is the predictive AI layer. It does not just wait for your input. It optimizes the performance based on your environment. Whether I was working in a crowded transit station or a quiet home office, the product name adjusted its noise floor and power consumption without me having to touch a single setting. It is that invisible tech we have been promised for a decade. Now, it is not all perfect. We have to talk about the reality of daily use. While the battery efficiency is top tier under normal conditions, if you are pushing the high-performance NeuralSync to its limits, you are going to see those percentages drop faster than expected. Also, the price point is a factor. This is a 2026 flagship, and you are definitely paying for the research and the premium materials. For some, the learning curve of the new gesture-based interface might feel a bit steep at first, but once it clicks, there is no going back to the old ways. So, who is this for? If you are a professional looking for the absolute edge in efficiency and you value a sustainable footprint, this is currently the gold standard. It is smart, it is sturdy, and it feels like a piece of the future we actually want to live in. It is an investment, certainly, but in 2026, quality is the only thing that actually lasts. It represents a shift toward technology that serves us, rather than demanding our attention. If you are ready for that upgrade, the choice is clear.